Hey, I'm Chef Eric here in La Cocina here in Seacrest Beach, and today we're going to make a nice traditional Carnitas taco. So today we're going to do a traditional Michoacan Carnitas taco. I braised this pork for about 2.5 hours in some fresh pork fat, citrus, and some oregano and other spices. So here we have some pickled red onions, some fresh jalapenos, segmented oranges, fresh chopped cilantro, and some grilled limes. If you're going to make these tacos at home, I would go ahead and set aside about 2 hours for prep and cook time. This is a very more traditional style carnitas. A lot of times you see the shredded product. These we're going to cook them low and slow in fats. They're nice and crispy. It's probably one of the most traditional tacos in Mexico, and we love them. The next time you're visiting here in Seacrest Beach or the 30A area, please stop by La Cocina for some fresh and coastal Latin flavors. Look forward to seeing y'all.